Hey there, urban visionaries and future enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to take you on an exciting exploration of the future of cities. Today's episode is a spotlight on the transformative power of solar film, graphene, concrete batteries, and sacred geometry, the dynamic quartet reshaping our urban landscapes. If you're as excited about the future as we are, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more thrilling insights, and let's dive into the city of tomorrow. First up, we're diving into the captivating world of solar film. It's not just a coating, it's a revolutionary superhero cape for surfaces. Imagine city skylines transformed into vibrant energy generators, powering homes, buildings, and transportation networks with clean, renewable energy. Let's explore how solar film seamlessly integrates into city infrastructure, turning ordinary surfaces into efficient solar panels. It's a step closer to a sustainable and eco-friendly urban future. Next in line is graphene, the wonder material of the future. Graphene boasts unmatched strength, conductivity, and flexibility. We'll unveil its limitless applications, from lightweight structural components to transparent electrodes enhancing energy efficiency. Get ready to witness how graphene is reshaping urban planning, pushing the boundaries of imagination and design. The graphene revolution is here, and it's painting the city with innovation. Now, have you ever heard of concrete batteries? Join us as we delve into these game changers embedded within the very foundation of our cities. We'll explore the marvels of energy storage and how concrete batteries efficiently store excess energy from renewables. This breakthrough technology holds the key to creating resilient, self-sufficient urban environments, a concrete step towards a future with continuous power supply during peak demands. Adding a touch of mystique, let's explore sacred geometry. Uncover the ancient art form that represents the essence of harmonious city design. We'll delve into the rich symbolism and mathematical precision seamlessly integrating into modern-day cities. Sacred geometry fosters a sense of balance, beauty, and interconnectedness, creating spaces that nourish both the mind and soul. It's the secret sauce for crafting cities that feel like living works of art. As we wrap up today's journey into the future of cities, we want to hear from you. Which innovation excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow visionaries, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling insights into the cities of tomorrow. Until next time, keep dreaming big and let's shape the future together.